Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Shadow and Bone is based on the worldwide best-selling Grishaverse novels by Israeli-American writer, Leigh Bardugo. The eponymous novel is the first book in the Grisha trilogy, followed by Siege and Storm and Ruin and Rising.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The show is packed with characters, all of whom have unique personalities and add to the world of the show, and the diverse cast and a queer storyline are given a decent amount of screen time. The Magicians tends to steer towards darker themes, but raked in plenty of positive reviews during its 5-season run.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Leigh Bardugo tells her novel, Shadow and Bone, in the first-person narrative, from the perspective of her main character and principal protagonist, Alina Starkov. This is done because the story deals with Alina's ascent to power, and her downfall in flight from the Darkling.
Take our lead.
Grisha typed this article is about the character in Shadow and Bone trilogy. For the Netflix adaptation character, see The Darkling, Netflix. The Darkling is a shadow summoner, the former second-in-command in all of Ravka, and the former leader of the Second Army.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.